Hello everyone, today we are going to revise chapter number 1, which is number system of grade 9. Okay, so let's start with the first question. So here first question is, find two equivalent rational numbers of 2 upon 13. So two equivalent rational numbers of 2 upon 13 we need to find out here. So it's very easy to find out. So we first write simply here 2 upon 13. Clear? We have written here 2 upon 13. Now you are free to select any number. You can select a 2, you can select a 3, you can select a 4, and then simply multiply both numerator and denominator by that number. So suppose I select a 2. So we get here 2 times 4, 13 2 times 26. So here we get the first number, first equivalent rational number. So for the second one we write here 2 upon 13. Let's select another number, let's say with a 10. So now we will get here 20 upon 130. So here 4 upon 26 and 20 upon 130. So we can write here 4 upon 26 and 20 upon 130 are equivalent rational numbers. Verse of 2 upon 13. Okay, so let's move to the next question. Next question is, find 5 rational numbers between 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. Okay, so easily we can find out 5 rational numbers we need to find out here. So first we write here 3 upon 5 and then we'll write here 4 upon 5. So our first step is to check whether the denominators are same or not. So in the first step we check, here is 5 and here is 5. So it means that denominators are same. So now easily we can find out. So we write here 3 upon 5 and then simply multiply with 10. Okay, so you will get here 30 upon 50. Okay, so now take next rational number, which is 4 upon 5, and then write multiply by 10 and then multiply by 10. Then again you will get here 40 upon 50. We need to find out here 5 rational numbers. So what will be our answer? So you will write here a statement like 5 rational numbers are 31 upon 50, 32 upon 50, 33 upon 50, and 34 upon 50 and 35 upon 50. These are the required rational number between 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. So now let's move to the next question, and which is find 3 rational numbers between 5 upon 7 and 9 upon 11. So let's write here 5 upon 7 and then 9 upon 11. So as per the rule, so first step is to check whether the denominators are equal or not. So here the denominator is 7 and here is 11. So our first work is to make denominators equal. So how can we make denominators equal? By taking LCM, right? So we will take the LCM of 7 and 11. So we will write here the LCM of 7 and 11 is 77. Clear? So write here 5 upon 7, and if LCM is 77, okay, what will be the LCM of 7 and 11? That is 77. So if you divide 77 by 7, okay, look here, let me write here, the LCM will be 77. Clear? LCM of 7 and 11 is 77, right? So you just divide 77 by the denominator of first rational number, which is 7. So when you divide, then you get 11. Okay, you will get here beta 11. Clear? So if you get 11, now multiply this 5 upon 7 with 11. So if you multiply, then you get here beta 55 upon 77. Now write second rational number, which is 9 upon 11. So the same process, divide the LCM by the denominator of second rational number, which is 11. So 11, 7 times 77. So you will get here 7. So multiply it with 7. So write here 9 7 times 63 upon 77. And we need to find out here only 3 rational numbers. So we can write 3 rational numbers are 56 upon 77, 57 upon 77 and 58 upon 77. These are the required rational numbers. These are the required rational numbers. Okay, let's move to the next question. Write the decimal form of 329 upon 400. Right, it's a decimal form, so easy है, कर देते हैं इसको. So we will write here 329 upon 400. So dear, it can be written as 329 upon 4 multiply with 1 upon 100. Now simply divide 329 by 4. So we can write 329, 4 8 times 32, 9, 4 2 times 8, 1, right here is decimal, 0, 4 2 times 8, 2, 0, 4 5 times 20. We get here 0. So we get here 82.25 multiply with 1 upon 100, which means 82.25 divided by 100. So in denominator there are 2 zeros. So we will shift decimal towards left hand side, okay, of 2 places. So we can write here 0.8225 and this is the answer. Let's move to the next question. Next question, question number 5 is express 0.6 bar in the form of P upon Q. This is non-terminating and recurring decimal expansion, so we can do it. So first of all, we write here x equals to 0.6 bar. So this can be written as x equals to 0.6666 and it will go on. So now make it equation number 1. After making it equation number 1, just simply multiply equation number 1 by 10. Okay, so we will get here 10x equals to 6.666 and it will go on, and name it equation number 2. Okay, so our next work is subtracting equation number 1 from 2. We get, okay, what do we get? So we write here 10x minus x equals to 6.666 minus 0.666. Clear? So we can write here 9x equals to 6. So which means x equals to 6 upon 9. Just simplify this. So let's write the symbol properly. It's look like Z. So make it equal to. So when we simplify by 3, so 3 2 times 6 and 3 3 times 9. So 2 upon 3 is equivalent to 0.6 bar. बढ़ते हैं अगले क्वेश्चन की तरफ. So our next question is this, question number 6. Easy है, फिनिश कर देते हैं. Find the value of x. Here it is written 5 is raised to x minus 2 and 3 is raised to 2x minus 3 equals to 135. So write here 5 is raised to x minus 2 multiply with 3 is raised to 2x minus 3 equals to 135. How to solve this? So first we will find out the exponential form of 135. So right here 5 is raised to x minus 2 multiply with 3 is raised to 2x minus 3 equals to, let's find out exponential form of 135. So this can be find out by doing the prime factorization. So 135, so we can divide it by 3. So 3 4 times 12 and 3 5 times 15. So 3 1 times 3 and 3 15 times and 3 5 times. So now 5 1 times. Okay, so 135 can be written as, because there is 3, look better, there are 3 3's, so this can be written as 3 cube. Okay, 3 cube multiply with 5 is raised to 1. Now we will equate it. Okay, so on equating the exponents of 5, okay, on equating the exponents of 5 we will get x minus 2 equals to 1. How do we get? Equating exponents of 5. So we get x minus 2 equals to 1, so x equals to 3. In this case we get x equals to 3. So in the next case is on equating the exponent of 3. So we will get here 2x minus 3 equals to 3. So we can write here equating exponents of 3. Equating exponents of 3. So we can write here 2x equals to, shift this minus 3 to right hand side, then it will be positive, then 3 plus 3 becomes a 6. So x equals to 6 upon 2. So x equals to 3. So x equals to 3 is the answer in the both the cases. So finally the value of x is 3. Now classify the following numbers as rational or irrational. Okay, easily we can solve this one. So first is a, which is 2 minus square root 5. So this is irrational number. Okay, irrational. How and why? Because we are subtracting an irrational number from rational number. Okay, if we subtract irrational number from irrational number, then the result is always irrational. Or if we add irrational with rational, then we will get irrational. Okay, so now in this case 4 minus square root 51 plus square root 51. So here root 51 can be cancelled. So we get 4 on simplifying this, then 4 is rational, so it is a rational number. ये क्या हो गया? It is rational number. Now question number 8, simplify. Question number 8 is simplify this. So here it is 1 upon 2 root 5, 2 plus root 5, sorry. So write here 1 upon 2 plus root 5. So our first work is to find out the conjugate of 2 plus root 5, which is 2 minus root 5. So its conjugate is 2 minus root 5. So we'll multiply 2 minus square root 5 and then 2 minus square root 5. So we will get 2 minus root 5 upon 2 square minus root 5 square. So that can be written as 2 minus root 5 upon 4 minus 5. The square of root 5 is 5. So which means 2 minus root 5 upon minus 1, and it means minus 2 minus root 5. Now in the same way find out this value. So 1 upon root 5 plus root 6. Simply multiply it with root 5 minus root 6 and then root 5 minus 6. So we will get here root 5 minus root 6 upon, we'll apply here identity a plus b and a minus b. So square root of square root of 5 minus root 6 square. So that then we get here root 5 minus root 6 upon 5 minus 6. So in the same way directly we can write. So we'll get here minus root 5 minus root 6. Now for this 1 upon root 6 plus root 7, just simply multiply the root 6 minus root 7 upon root 6 minus root 7. So when we do its multiplication, so then we will get better root 6 minus root 7 upon root 6 square minus root 7 square. So which means root 6 minus root 7 upon 6 minus 7, and that is equals to minus square root 6 minus square root 7. So our third is, that is 1 upon root 7 plus 8. So we will write here better 1 upon root 7 plus root 8, which is multiply with root 7 minus root 8 upon root 7 minus root 8. Okay. So then we will get root 7 minus root 8 upon square of square root 7 minus square root 8 square. So which means root 7 minus root 8 upon 7 minus 8, and this is equals to minus square root 7 minus square root 8. Put all values together. Okay, so first one we find out minus 2 minus root 5. So let's write here minus, just a second, minus, then in a bracket 2 minus square root 5, then it was plus, then the second one minus root 5 minus root 6. So minus root 5 minus root 6, then plus, and then the third one is minus root 6 minus root 7. Okay, so minus root 6 minus root 7. Okay, and then the fourth one is plus minus square root 7 minus square root 8. Let's simplify this. Open bracket. Clear? So as here is minus, so we can write it as a minus 2 minus minus plus 5, sorry, plus square root 5. Open this. So we get here minus, and then in a bracket root 5 minus root 6. We'll open this. So minus in bracket root 6 minus root 7, and here again minus root 7 minus root 8. Now we will open all the brackets. So 2 plus square root 5 minus square root 5, and minus minus becomes plus, so plus square root 6, then minus square root 6, then plus square root 7, then minus square root 7, and then minus minus plus square root 8. Okay, plus square root 8. We get all these values. And listen, one more thing beta, here it is minus, sorry, here it is minus. So now we can cancel positive root 5 with negative root 5, positive root 6 with negative root 6, and positive root 7 with negative root 7. Okay, so we will be left with minus 2 plus square root 8. Okay, minus 2 plus square root 8, and this can be written as minus 2, and this root 8 can be written as plus 2 root 2. Clear? This can be written as 2 root 2. So now here we can take common, which is minus 2. So if we take common minus 2, so we will get here 1 minus square root 2, and this is the answer. I hope आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. Okay, so hence let's finish our class. We'll meet you in next class. Stay tuned. Okay, tata. Bye bye.